Hello, everyone! Welcome to eToll-Free's Cloud Phone tutorial on call center queues. Now that we are done setting up the call center agents, we are ready to start setting up call center queues. Managing incoming calls effectively is crucial for any business. One powerful feature that can help you achieve this is setting up call center queues in the Cloud Phone system. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Let's get into it. Step 1. Create a new call center queue. Start by going to Applications, then Call Centers. Then, click the Add button located in the top right corner of your Cloud Phone system interface. This action will create a new call center queue. Step 2. Fill out the necessary fields. The next video will delve into a comprehensive explanation of these fields. For the meantime, we encourage you to utilize this fundamental guide, encompassing the default or most common features within most call center configurations. Once you've filled out the necessary fields, click Save. Setting up your call center queues is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your customer service. So, don't wait any longer. Start setting up your call center queues today and take your customer service to the next level with the Cloud Phone system. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.